Festo Bionic Finwave dives into innovation with mesmerizing, nature-inspired movement. Modeled after marine animals like cuttlefish, it uses two ultra-flexible silicone side fins to create smooth, wave-like propulsion, far beyond what traditional propellers can achieve. Driven by internal servo motors and 9 lever arms per fin, it produces customizable wave patterns for ultra-precise, low-turbulence motion in tight spaces. It's fully autonomous, navigating through acrylic pipe systems while wirelessly transmitting temperature and pressure data to tablets in real time. Ideal for underwater inspections, monitoring, or research in delicate environments, the Bionic Finwave redefines aquatic robotics with elegance, agility, and intelligence. Who knew fluid motion could be so smart? X-Fly is a nature-inspired flying robot that blends the agility of birds with the precision of insects. Its advanced flapping wing mechanism, paired with a unique sensor and gyroscope system unaffected by movement, allows for ultra-stable flight, indoors and outdoors. Controlled by remote or smartphone with just one hand, X-Fly offers up to 12 minutes of airtime, speeds reaching 20 km per hour, and a 100-meter range. It may look toy-like, but it's caught the attention of the French military for a reason. Lightweight, fast, and shockingly responsive, X-Fly redefines what micro-aerial robots can do. Who knew something so small could soar with such power and control? Centauro is a powerful rescue robot with the body of a modern centaur, built to save lives in extreme conditions. Its 4 legs, each with 6 degrees of freedom, allow agile movement across rubble, debris, and unstable terrain. With arms capable of lifting 11 kilograms and breaking through wooden barriers, Centauro doesn't just reach victims, it clears a path to them. Operating for up to 2.5 hours on a single charge, it's ideal for search and rescue missions where every second counts. Funded by the European Commission, this machine is built not just to move, but to act in disaster zones. Who knew a robotic centaur could be a real-world hero in emergencies? Manta Droid is a robotic ray that glides through water with the grace of a real manta, earning its nickname, the devilfish of robotics. Inspired by one of nature's most efficient swimmers, it mimics both the shape and motion of a manta ray, allowing it to move smoothly at 2.5 kilometers per hour for up to 10 hours. Its sleek body is packed with sensors, making it a versatile tool for ocean research, marine monitoring, and even underwater rescue operations. Silent, stable, and elegant, Manta Droid doesn't just swim, it surveys with purpose. Who thought underwater robotics could look this natural and be this effective? Russell, the robotic giraffe, is a remarkable blend of technology and education. It walks, talks, and can carry up to 30 people, making it both an interactive ride and a captivating learning tool. Kids engage more deeply by studying Russell's mechanics rather than sitting through dull lectures about gears. Meanwhile, Tokyo Institute of Technology is pioneering its musculoskeletal system, using 3D printed vertebrae, artificial muscles, and a half-kilo skull. These innovations are crucial for building large, lifelike robots. Russell proves that nature isn't just inspiration, it's a blueprint for cutting-edge robotics. Who knew a robotic giraffe could spark both wonder and scientific breakthroughs? Agnathex is a robotic lamprey that dives deep into both water and science. Inspired by an ancient species unchanged for millions of years, it helps researchers unlock the secrets of nervous systems. Agnathex integrates both central and peripheral nervous systems, swimming most efficiently when both are active. It adapts to sensor failures with remarkable resilience, showing how robust bio-inspired design can be. The insights gained aren't just advancing neurobiology, they're revolutionizing the future of swimming robots. Imagine robots that handle real-world glitches just like nature's perfected swimmers. Agnathex isn't just a robot, it's a breakthrough in understanding life and technology swimming side by side. Taniboa slithers into the spotlight as the world's largest robotic snake. Stretching a massive 15 meters and weighing 800 kilograms, this mechanical giant took 4 years to develop, and every second shows. Designed to function both on land and underwater, Taniboa's creators pushed boundaries with its eerie, lifelike movements. It's like the Loch Ness Monster, but real and robotic. Its impressive size and versatility make it a unique marvel in robotics, capable of navigating diverse environments with uncanny grace. Taniboa isn't just a robot snake. It's a groundbreaking feat blending power, scale, and innovation. Imagine what challenges this behemoth could tackle next. Sea Ray, a compact robot the size of a skateboard, mimics the graceful movements of a stingray to explore the ocean floor. Designed to collect samples as large as potatoes, it's built for deep-sea mining and scientific discovery at depths up to 6 kilometers. Sea Ray's ability to operate in swarms, communicating seamlessly, unlocks powerful teamwork for efficient exploration. Imagine fleets of these bots uncovering titanium, lithium, and even traces of ancient civilizations hidden beneath the seabed. Its agility and precision open new frontiers for ocean research and resource harvesting. Small but mighty, Sea Ray transforms deep-sea challenges into exciting opportunities, bridging robotics and marine science with impressive innovation. Pigeonbot is a drone that flaps its wings like a real pigeon. Its wings and tail dynamically change shape, eliminating the need for a vertical stabilizer. How cool is that? Reaching speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour, it may be slower than real pigeons, but it's packed with groundbreaking tech. Its control system mimics bird reflexes perfectly. When it tilts left, the right wing folds while the left spreads wider. This biomimicry offers unmatched agility and stability, pushing the boundaries of drone flight and robotics. Pigeonbot's advanced design holds huge potential for future aviation, making it a fascinating leap towards smarter, more efficient flying machines. Nature's genius meets cutting-edge engineering. Morpex is a 6-legged transformer robot that walks uniquely and can curl into a ball to roll. Powered by 25 servo motors, an AR-32 controller, and XB radio modules, it's a masterpiece of complex engineering disguised as a hobby project. This robot doesn't just walk, it adapts its movement by rolling under precise control, even on slopes. Morpex's hybrid mobility combines stability with agility, making it perfect for navigating tricky terrain or tight spaces. Designed by Norwegian hobbyist Ki Halvorsen, this bot proves that passion can drive incredible innovation. It's a fascinating blend of mechanical complexity and playful design, showcasing how robotics can be both functional and fun. Morpex redefines versatility in robotic locomotion. Xiaomi CyberDog 2 isn't just a robot, it's a smart companion. Priced at $3,338, it responds to commands like sit and shake, rides a skateboard, and even does backflips. Beyond tricks, it integrates seamlessly with your smart home, dimming lights or closing curtains on command. Its face doubles as a touchscreen displaying battery life, mood, and vital info, keeping you connected. Powered by advanced AI, CyberDog 2 reacts to its environment almost like a real pet. This bot blends entertainment, utility, and companionship in one sleek package. Imagine a robotic friend that's fun, functional, and futuristic. Xiaomi CyberDog 2 pushes boundaries, redefining what robotic pets can do. Mufflin is a next-level robotic emotional support pet, blending the charm of a guinea pig with futuristic AI. Designed for cuddles and companionship, Moflin learns to recognize its owner over time and responds intuitively to their movements. It even loves being talked to and will listen as you vent your daily stress, helping you unwind. Powered by advanced AI, Moflin's evolving personality makes every interaction feel personal and heartfelt. For $738, this little robot isn't just a pet. It's a calming friend that adapts and grows with you. Who thought artificial companionship could be this comforting and real? SPD-1 is a compact robotic powerhouse designed to tackle Japan's looming labor shortage. Smaller than a soccer ball and weighing just 3.5 kilograms, SPD-1 inspects and repairs sewer pipes with unmatched precision. It works solo or in teams of 3. One leads, another scans for defects, and the third handles repairs. This coordinated teamwork boosts efficiency and safety in underground infrastructure maintenance. With Japan facing a shortage of 3.8 million workers by 2035, SPD-1 isn't just a tool. It's a critical solution to keep vital systems running. Sleek, smart, and unstoppable underground. Who thought robots this small could carry such a big responsibility? Festo Aqua Jelly mesmerizes with lifelike, autonomous movement. An artificial jellyfish that thinks, swims, and swarms. Powered by a central motor, lithium-ion batteries, and swashplate actuators, it drives 8 tentacles using the fin ray effect to mimic natural peristaltic motion. Its transparent, waterproof design and dynamic weight control let it glide effortlessly in 3D space. Aquajelly communicates with other units and a smart charging station to manage energy and coordinate group behaviors. How brilliant is that? It's more than a robotic marvel. It's a living lab for studying collective behavior, intelligent systems, and future swarm robotics. Elegance meets intelligence beneath the waves. Festo Auda swims with breathtaking realism, powered by pneumatics and controlled remotely for unmatched underwater precision. Mimicking real fish, it uses a mechanical fin drive energized by a fluidic muscle that replicates natural tail fin motion. Its design leverages the fin ray effect to glide effortlessly through water, delivering smooth propulsion with just 4 actuators. An internal air bladder adjusts buoyancy in real time, just like real fish, allowing it to maintain perfect equilibrium. Depth sensors and smart electronics control compressed air or vacuum flow for seamless diving and surfacing. It's the perfect blend of biology and bionics, ideal for underwater exploration, inspection, or showcasing next-gen aquatic robotics. Swimming has never been so intelligently engineered. NASA EELS is a 4-meter, 100-kilogram robotic explorer built to survive the degrees Celsius and degree extremes of Saturn's moon, Enceladus. Designed like a snake with 10 spiral-powered segments, EELS can slither, burrow, and even drill through ice to uncover hidden oceans below the surface. Using advanced cameras and sensors, it autonomously maps its surroundings and chooses optimal paths through alien terrain. Its mission? To search for signs of life where no rover could ever go. Flexible, intelligent, and built for the unknown, EELS isn't just a robot. It's a potential first contact tool. Who thought something so cold could be this exciting? Meet Corleo, the world's first robotic horse powered by hydrogen. Engineered by Kawasaki, this AI-driven marvel balances like no other, with independently moving front and hind legs that conquer rugged terrain with ease. Designed for endurance, Corleo intelligently adjusts its stride across surfaces, making long-distance travel smoother than ever. Not just for cargo, this mechanical steed can carry people too, galloping at speeds up to 25 km/h. And with a 150cc hydrogen engine, it's not just futuristic, it's sustainable. From smart deliveries to adventurous rides, Corleo redefines what robotics can achieve in motion. Still in concept, but already a game changer. Who knew the future of travel would have 4 robotic legs?